Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for your home improvement needs. Today, we're diving into the best Bona Mega One, the BonaKemi Bona Traffic HD Satin. A game changer when it comes to hardwood floor finishes. If you're looking for a floor finish that not only provides incredible durability but also enhances the beauty of your hardwood floors, this product is an absolute must-have. Bona Traffic HD Satin is one of the world's leading waterborne finishes, and it's built to offer superior protection against scuffs, scratches, and even harsh chemicals. If you're tired of dealing with dull floors that get damaged too easily, this solution will transform your space with its long-lasting beauty. What makes Bona Traffic HD Satin stand out is its unbeatable performance. Whether you're concerned about wear and tear from pets, kids, or regular foot traffic, this product delivers exceptional protection at full cure. The advanced urethane formula ensures that your floors stay looking pristine for a long time. Even with heavy use, it resists scuff marks and scratches, making it perfect for high-traffic areas. Another impressive feature is the fast drying time. You can expect this finish to dry within 2 to 3 hours. Which is a real benefit if you're looking to get your floors done quickly without worrying about long waiting periods. Plus, it's available in 3 finishes: commercial satin, commercial semi-gloss, and commercial extra matte. So you can choose the perfect look for your home or office. One of the major advantages of this product is that it requires no additional sealer over stained floors, which saves both time and effort. Its low VOC content ensures that it's a safer option for your home, especially if you're concerned about harmful fumes. The odor is also non-offensive, making the application process much more pleasant compared to other harsh chemicals on the market. The product's coverage is great, and its non-toxic nature is another win for those who prioritize eco-friendly and sustainable choices. This finish is designed to withstand the test of time, providing a durable, lasting result without compromising the quality of the wood underneath. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking to protect wood floors, Bona Traffic HD Satin is the finish you've been searching for. It's a reliable, high-performance product that delivers excellent flow and leveling. Whether you're refreshing your living room or working on a commercial space, this product's superior build quality is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching this review of the best Bona Mega One, BonaKemi Bona Traffic HD Satin. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and product critiques to help you make the best choices for your home improvement projects. Be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below if you've had any experience with this product. Let us know how it worked for you.